Hi, I'm going to show you how to get started with a GitHub project, which I have here on my screen, using Visual Studio Code that I here have at the left of my screen. I just want to show them side by side for a sec. And what I'll be doing, this is some code, and I want to get it inside Visual Studio Code, that I can work with it easily without using the command line. And that's what Visual Studio does for you. It makes it very easy to get a project in GitHub like this into it, and already we can see here the word clone Git repository. And I've not practiced this. I'll be going in blank like you maybe. So I'm just going to click this and try to get this stuff in here. So I'm going to click on that, and now I have this update. Alright, I need to provide a URL. So I know the URL of this thing. It's, if I click here on code, here this is one way to get it. It's also here at the top in your browser. You can copy paste this. I like this because you can just click. Alright, and that is all I need for Visual Studio Code. So I have it now in my clipboard. I'm going to clone the repository again. I'm going to paste the repository, the thing I got. And now it already asks me, where do you want it? I'm going to put it in my home folder now, so I'm going to click on this, select as repository destination. There. Would you like to open it? Open a new window? No, just open it. Then it asks, can I run files? Well, do you trust the authors? Yes, I trust the authors. That includes me. So now suddenly I have this project here. And what is super nice is that there is this tab here called source control. We can also, like, this is the complete Git history of this repository, and we can do so much things here. And I'll just show you just one more thing. Like I go to, so this is the code of the repository. I'm going to modify the word, the text in README. So there's some stuff here. What I'm doing is I'm going to add some lines of some empty lines here, there. And now I'm going to push this code to GitHub without doing any things at all. So I'm gonna, I want to commit this. Commit changes, sure, there is no changes to commit. Then I probably need to save here, so I'm going to press Ctrl S to save. Now I may be able to commit. There are no changes to commit. Due to empty commit message. Well, I guess I need to do it like here. Added white space for demo. Now I press commit. There are no changes to commit. Why is that? Like I did save this thing. Maybe I need to. If I press Ctrl S, it will remove. So I'll put it here. Now I can probably commit it. Yeah, now I have the stuff. So, because at the bottom I added white space, but Visual Studio Code takes it away. So I need to put some white space there. Now I added white space for demo here still, and now it says, hey, there are some stages. These are files that have been changed. You can stage them first. I'm not going to do that. I'm directly going to commit them. Do you always want to stage them or do it directly? In this case, I will just do it directly. Yes. And now if I press sync changes, it will upload it. So yes, this will do it. And I don't need to see this again. I know what I'm doing. The extension GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub. Sure, we can do that. And this is already filled in. I guess I need my two-factor authenticator now. Yes, there it is. So let's do that. As you can see, like they take good care of you. Here we have GitHub 218079 there. Continue. Yeah, sure. Sure. Like I trust Microsoft or Microsoft too. Would you like to parallel would you like Visual Studio to periodically run git fetch? No, I like to do this myself, so I'm going to say no here. This means, yeah, I'll do yes. So git fetch means that it will download coming changes, but not necessarily merge them. So when there's internet, it will just already get it on your computer. So when one day later you don't have internet, you have it anyways. Good. Well, the question is, did I push it for real? So let's go back to this website that I cloned. Let's take a look. If I refresh, that should be here a new message. Yes, this is me. I did it. Well, and there are also a lot of other things, like there's so many options here. Like changing a branch is somewhere here. Commit, refresh, more actions. Yeah, so if you want to change your branch, then I can merge, rename, create branch, rename branch, publish branch. Let's see, I need to switch my branch. Checkout to, that's the word. So this doesn't have another branch yet, so I can't check it out, but this is where you change branches. So with that, I'm going to conclude this video. What I have showed you is how it goes if you have a project on GitHub and then try to get it in Visual Studio Code and try to work with it. I think it goes very smoothly. I'm very impressed with how Visual Studio Code does this. And you see me struggle someplace. It was unprepared, and you see how easy it was to find the problems. With that, I conclude this video. I wish you a very good day. Bye!